How's it going, rednecks? In this video I'm going to be putting some fabric on the bed as well as that insulated window, and I went to Joann's Fabric and ended up getting 3 types of fabric. This is going to be for the drawers. This is kind of like a dark gray or something. This is going to be for on top of the bed. This is a black material, and then I got more of a felt black material to go on the insulated window. And the reason for the 3 different types, these 2 are kind of the same. They're more of an industrial type carpet, and that should be able to hold up to wear and tear, where this one is going to more or less match the felt ceiling liner, because that's kind of got a textured soft feel to it. So I figured that would look nicer up there. I did a few tests gluing the felt down to the boards, or to a scrap board, and I gotta say, this stuff is really tough. So I got this is that gray felt, the black felt right here, and then I did a test with the softer on the window, and as you can see, it's going to peel the backing before this stuff peels. So for what I'm going to be using is this high strength 3M adhesive. It claims that it'll do wood and everything, so I gotta say, I'm hoping that that stuff will work pretty good. But yeah, without further ado, how about I get that window out? I kind of want to do that first just to see what it looks like. I think I'm going to do the black on the outside, so that way if there's light coming in or anything, it'll just look like a really tinted window instead of seeing that gray or that silver reflectix that's on the other side. So either way, let's get that window out and we'll start cutting our fabric and get it glued on.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same.
Well, there we go. We have the back side done, and as you can see, I did get a little bit of glue on it, but it doesn't really matter because this is just going to be facing towards the window. The important side is this side right here. So as you can see, that's all done up. So now we can get this thing installed in the window. Alright, rednecks, it's actually the next day. It was getting pretty late, so I just ended the video, but that is looking really good. It looks really good against the top right up there, so the obviously different color, but same material. And with that being said, I need to reheat this garage, but before I do that, I think I want to do this sleeping, or this bed area, outside the vehicle, on the floor in the garage. So I'm going to get this truck out of the garage, turned around, I'm going to unload the bed, get it in here, and we'll get our fabric installed. So yeah, first, got to move the Oldsmobile, so you guys will get to see that guy. And yeah, without further ado, let's get some more fabric done and get this bed all set. So cold. Alright, with the vehicles all moved and the chill taken out of the air there with my heater, I can start working on the bed. And before I can carpet this, actually, I want to take some more of my 3/8 lumber there, and I want to cut it up, and I want to get it installed on this side right here, as well as the front side, and that way I can carpet the whole thing without any screws being exposed. So without further ado, let's get that marked out. Let's get it cut up.
like a bass guitar. Simmer down and mess me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep.
Well, there we go. With all the black fabric on the bed frame, I still have to do the lid. Unfortunately, I am out of black fabric, so I'm going to use the gray fabric now. And that's going to go into the bottom of each one of these storage compartments right here. And yeah, unfortunately, this will have to be in a later video, or maybe I'll tack it onto this one yet. Well, there we have it. The window covering's done. The bed frame is all done. I still need to do the lid. I'm going to wait for another episode to release that footage, I guess. Or actually, I'm just probably going to end up doing it off camera. And you guys will see this next time with the lid all done. But I got to say, it's not without flaws. There's, as you can see, overspray everywhere. There is some wood showing. I have joints showing that aren't perfect. But I gotta say, all in all, it's exactly what I wanted. And if you take a look, this side's all set and done. Yeah. So, for a beginner and for the first time in a long time, I have dealt with fabric before, but it's been a long time. I gotta say, this turned out pretty good. I did go through both cans, so that was enough to actually finish just this frame. So I'm gonna have to get another can just for the lid. I have plans on using that fabric for this wall too, but that'll be in another video. So hopefully you guys like the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and get back to work.